Welcome to Scholarship Hype. Hello, everybody watching us. I hope you guys have a good day and are doing great. This video is about the online application procedure of ADP fully funded scholarship. ADP is Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank fully funded scholarships. So firstly, you will go to this page of Asian Development Bank fully funded scholarships, which you are already watching on my screen. Then you will go to the tab Procedures for applying. On this tab, you will find the application form. You have to download this application form, as I have already downloaded. So I'm just opening it. This is the application form in front of you, which you will fill and submit it. Let's fill it. First is the personal information. You will enter your last name and your first name. You will enter your nationality. Then you will write your date of birth. Then you will select your gender and then your age. Next is the home address. You will write your street number. Then you will write your city name. And then you will write your province. Then you will write your home country. Then you will write your home phone number. You will write your mobile number. You will write your email there. And you will also write the postal code of your country. For Pakistan, it's +92. Then is the current address. If your current address is the same as your home address, then obviously you will write the same things here in the current address field. And if it's not, then you will write whatever it is. And then comes the office address. Again, you will write the street number, your city, state or province, your business country, your office phone number, the postal code of your business country, fax number as well of your office, and your mobile number, and your email as well. Next is the proposed study plan. Degree, master's. You will write here master's in front of degree. Next is the field of study. Here you will enter the master's degree, the name of that master's degree, or the field of study in which you are going to apply for master's. For example, I'm writing just randomly. Master's in Business Administration. Then you will enter expected commencement date. I'm just writing it randomly. Are you applying to other institutions? It again depends on you. If you are applying, then you will write the name of that institution in this box. Next is the academic background. degree obtained, field of study. If you are applying for master, then obviously you have done your graduation degree. You will write graduation, then field of study, business administration, year started and year completed. You will write it according to you, and name of that institution, and its location. You will enter the location. Language of instruction used. You will write here the languages. English, Urdu, whatever, mostly it is English and Urdu in Pakistan. And honors received, honors or awards received, you will write there, whatever they are. And then you will write it again, the fields above there in these fields. Have you been awarded an ADP JSP scholarship? It again depends on your case. If it has been awarded to you, you will need to enter following things: degree, field of study, and the university, and awarded period as well in month and year. Okay, English proficiency, which is the most important. Here are the reading, writing, and speaking skills. Uh, they have not included listening skill. So there are three skills: reading, writing, and speaking. And you have to check the boxes among very good, good, and fair. Here I must suggest, if your English skills are not very well, then instead of choosing fair, you can select good or between good and very good, but try not go for fair. It may have an impact on your selection procedure. Okay, then is the professional history. Present employer, you will write your position there. Your company in which you are employed. Your nature of work, you will write accordingly. In the industry, your products or services. Then sector, if it is an international organization, it's private, public, or non-profit, you will check these boxes. And then date of employment, month and year again. Then annual salary in dollars, in US dollars. And then your annual family income, again in US dollars. Previous employers, begin with your most recent employment, excluding the present, because the present you have written there. So excluding the present employment, you will write your most recent there. And you can use separate sheets if the space provided here is not sufficient. The fields, the asked fields are the same: position, company, nature of work, date of employment in month and year, annual salary. So you have to fill it. And yes, total work experience in years and months, you will enter it there. And you will also write it years in supervisory level if it's applicable. Okay. Well, the scholarship will provide most of your financial requirements during the study period. What other additional resources do you have if you may need them? You will write according to you. And why do you want to undertake this particular area of study at this institution? This is like the statement of purpose. Then you will also attach the copies of academic records, and then you will mail this form to the institution where you want to study. The institution will assess and will advise you whether or not your application qualifies for further screening. Here again, I must suggest you should also have to check out universities or institutes website whether they have a separate application form or not. The applying and selection criteria and the procedures of all the universities are different. I'm not going into in-depth details of every university because the video will be very long. So you will need to check this yourself in whichever university you are going to apply for the master's. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share in your circles. You can comment us below for any queries regarding that scholarship. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to our channel, Scholarship Hive.